My weakness is my sister's name. Flooding through the room, cross these waters. Who really knows what to say? Her red hair like a flame, my mother's shade the same. Oh, I can feel her here. In this broken house of ours that's tearing us apart and keeping her inside picture frames and tears. And I'm so sorry. I was looking for peace in the graveyard you've been haunting, in the places you try to sleep. My silence does more than speech. Quietly asking what she needs. Saw our mother down the hall, and she's not fine at all. I don't know how to be who she wants to see. Maybe you want me to be strong, or maybe you don't care at all, or maybe I'm not enough to set her free. Still I am trying. Can't you see? There's cards, there's photographs, and she tells me who she thought you'd be before the other side took you